Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button. It will open the controls menu, and here you should see a bunch of icons. And by default, I believe the power saving mode icon will not be in this menu. So what we need to do is to tap on Edit, then scroll down. No, not scroll down. Tap on Add first, and then scroll down and look for the power saving mode or battery saver icon. And once you find it, you can tap on the plus icon to add it. Then you can, I believe, tap on the check mark right here on the bottom to confirm. As you can see, the battery saver was added, so now we can tap on Done. And now each time you open the controls menu by pressing and holding the upper button, the battery saver icon will be here. And to enable the power saving mode, you can tap on it, tap on the check mark, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color. And if you go back to watch face, you will see that the watch face changed because it is using the power saving mode watch face. And to disable the mode, press and hold the upper button again to open the controls menu, tap on the icon, and the icon will go back to gray color, and it will be crossed out, which means that the power saving mode is disabled. And as you can see, the watch face came back to the normal state. Okay, you can also turn on and off the power saving mode through the settings. So if you press the upper button once to open the up menu, then scroll down and look for the settings icon and tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on Power Manager. And here we have the battery saver, and you can tap on it and you can turn it on and off by tapping on status. You have the estimation in days, as you can see. And also you can edit the behavior of power saving mode. So if you tap on edit, here you can change how it will behave. So we have the watch face, and you have don't change or low power. The low power one is the one you saw when we turned on the do not disturb mode, my bad, power saving mode. And if you select don't change, the watch face won't change if you enable the power saving mode. And you have music, phone, Wi-Fi, wrist heart rate, always on display, and brightness, and you can customize it to your liking. Of course, if you disable some of the options, it will reduce your battery life even though you enable the battery saver, so be aware of that. Actually, you have estimations, I believe. Let's say if I change the watch face, as you can see, it says how much power it will save. I don't believe that changing only watch face will save 14 days, so I believe this estimation is not correct. But let's see, the phone also doesn't give us anything. Wrist heart rate, oh, here we have the change. So if you don't change it, it will basically, so if it's turned off, it will, wait, is it turned off? Oh no, if it's turned off, basically it will save you 3 days. If you change it to don't change, so it won't turn off the wrist heart rate, you will lose 3 days of life. So this, I believe, might be correct estimation. The one with the watch face, I don't believe it's correct. Okay, and once you're done customizing your settings, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.